Whenever you start preparation, any competitive examination, any type of examination in plus 2 10th, otherwise another maybe railway SSC, you know the basic fundamentals about grammaticals. You without grammaticals fundamental, you don't know what is the grammars and how to use the articles, how to use another noun, pronoun, preposition, adverb, verb. So I start a class. The basic things about the basic things of a grammars. At first we discuss about the articles in the English grammar. Then you in daily basic you also completely taken the online classes through YouTube. Okay. So articles used only for the vowel sounds. Vowel sound, that means o, a, e, u, a, I, o. So in the 11 vowels you always use r. Anyone you also studied in your 10th class examination, you followed a, e, I, o, u, use r, but it is not correct. Whenever you come from your vowel in your sound, in your mind, in your pronunciation, so use r. So, for example, our S is a consonant, but it is R. Honesty, H-O-L-E-S-T, honesty. You use R. Why? You use honesty. The vowel sound come from O. In that case, the vowel sound come from R. That's why you use R's. The second one, article is a singular countable noun. We always use the singular countable nouns. For example, these are days sheep. Okay. The question is these are days sheep. Use a and the or no article. But in that case, you also see it is not a vowel sound, it is a consonant. You use a, but it is not followed a. Why? It is a plural sentence. So no articles given the bracket. Okay. The third one is so only for consonants co to law. Use a. Maybe maybe umbrella, maybe bed, maybe cat, maybe mango. It is used for a. Okay. Only for consonant. Okay. So in the three articles a, and the, in the three articles you use at first the, then and, the remaining is a. So at first you use of the. The use of the, that means you mention example. All the superlative degree followed the best, richest, smallest, largest. You followed the because it is a superlative degree. When you study in 8th class standard, good, better, best, rich, richer, richest, small, smaller, smallest. You use whenever you come up the last word, yes, you always followed the. So for example, honesty is best policy. So honesty is the best policy. Okay. Third one is the name of the all newspapers. The name of all newspapers, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, the Tribune, the Dawn, the Deccan. In that way, in the examples, we use only the. Okay. So the third one condition is scriptures. Scripture, that means holy books, followed by the Ganga, the Ramayana, Ganga scripture, it is not scripture, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. So whenever you use the holy books, so you use the in the blanket. Okay. The last one is the right now India is 29 states because only Punjab followed the. Punjab. But why? Punjab is a discriminative name. Discriminative name. How? Punjab. The river of 5 rivers mentioned the. So another state not followed the, but Punjab followed the. Last one. The USA. The USA. The BPSR. It is also a discriminative name because USA, United States of America, BPSR is also called Soviet Rus. UK, United Kingdom, always followed by the. Okay. So you write down when you start preparation. You write down your examples in your notes. You also briefly understand the topics. Okay. The third one is all river, ocean, canals always followed the Ganga, the Jamuna, the Saraswati, the Kaveri. Ocean, the Indian Ocean Canal, the Rajasthan Canal. Okay, you know that. The third one is all revolution. The American Revolution, the Russian Revolution, the French Revolution, always followed by the. Okay, the third one is the third revolution completed. Natives, Basinda. So that means the English, the Germans, the Tibetans, the Americans, always followed by the because it is native. Third one is native completed. All seasons, the winter, the summer, the spring, okay, and the sun, the moon, the stars, okay. The last one is complete native हो गया. So in the basic things about the you use the fundamental about the. Then another part is I also mentioned first time our, honor, honesty, always followed by okay. In the come from the vowel sounds in your mind, in your sounds, you always use okay. Another remaining a. But the last is the last condition about you. In the grammar of the English, the article is a basic structure and fundamentals. What is the thing? Whenever particularize any type of articles, in that case of he may be followed by an, but it is use of the. How? Particularize things. Okay. How? Maybe I have an umbrella. Okay. UMBRELLA. Okay. But it is simple sentence. In that case of I lost this UMBRELLA, which was brown today. Okay. So in that case, I lost this umbrella which was brown today. So in that case, it is particularized to today. So आज मैंने जो umbrella बोला है वो मैं भूल चुका हूँ. That means the followed by the, because any type of you also come from vowel sounds. Umbrella of, but it is of the because it is particularized. Because it is particularized. That's why you use of the. Okay. You know that it is a basic. Whenever a article particularized, it is made use of a, it is made use of an, but you use only the. Okay. The last one is the can follow any type of language. Language, okay. Food green, okay. Language, food green, game, language, game, food green, school, college, building, etc. A not use of the simple example. Dash English is the language of dash English. For example, I also have to discuss about the community. For in that case, dash English is the language of dash English. Dash English is the language of dash English. So in that case, not articles because it is followed by language. In that case, it is followed by the natives, the community of the English peoples. It is the because we also mentioned in use of the whenever a community may be Persian, maybe France, maybe Chinese, it is followed by the. In that case, it is followed by language. That's why we can't follow articles. Okay, English is the language of the English. Okay, you got it, I think. So in the basic things, in basic fundamentals we discussed today, you know, in the second class with examples, with 20 examples, important examples we discussed about the main topics. Whenever you doubt, you also message through the YouTube channel given below. I also answer your message. Okay, thank you for all.